Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a game for children ages 4 and up. So most of my middle schoolers should be allowed to play. This game is called Orangu-Twang. Orangu-Twang. So here's my orangutan, and there's my twang. First thing I do is I hang my orangutan here on my device, and then I click the toucan. If I do it right, it'll stay hanging like that. Okay. Now, I roll a dice to determine which of these items I then need to hang on the orangutan before he goes twang. So right now we've got Newton's first law of motion in action. Objects at rest are remaining at rest. Everything is just sitting here. But after I roll my dice here, it says I need to hang the pineapple. Okay. Objects, I'm going to use Newton's second law. A force is required to accelerate a mass. And by very gently hanging it, I can create more objects at rest, which will remain at rest till acted upon by an outside unbalanced force. If my forces on the string become too imbalanced or hanging on my orangutan, then he will go twang and all the pieces will become objects in motion and they are going to fly off in all directions. So that'll be Newton's second law as well. What we're also seeing here, oh, lost my turn because I rolled a star twice in a row, is we're also seeing Newton's third law in action. For every force, there's an equal and opposite force. So when I hang on one side, you'll notice he'll start to swing a little bit because they're trying to balance each other out. So for every force, there's an equal and opposite. So you see that by pushing down, it causes the whole thing to sway a little bit. So that's Newton's second law. Another one of my melons here. The object is to be the last person to hang a piece on here successfully before the orangutan goes twang. And Newton's third law, causing all of these shifts and the unbalance. One force pushes, it responds by balancing itself out. Well, I'm all out of those green pieces, so I guess I can't do that. I'm safe for a round. Hey, I've got to hang a little bat friend off of our orangutan now. You can hang it on any place that it'll actually hold it. So little spots like this. Will work as well. Okay. But eventually, the forces on the string are going to be so imbalanced that it's going to twang, and the orangutan will shoot straight up in the air. Wherever I can hang it here, let's see if I can hang it on his arm here. Starting to get risky since I'm playing for a 4-year-old game. I think I'm capable of playing every once in a while. Okay. Objects at rest remain at rest until acted upon, right here. So if I have an unbalanced force, as soon as this becomes unbalanced, okay, we're going to see a really large unbalanced force act on this thing. And everything is going to come flying off. No lizards yet. Let's see. I'm going to hang a bat off down here. Ooh, doing okay. I'm winning at a game for 4-year-olds, so I'm so proud of myself. All out of bats. All out of bats. Going to have to roll for something else. Oh, there's a lizard. I'll roll one of these lizards. Let's see if I can hang a lizard up here. Very nice. 2 lizards in a row. It seems to like it. Let's see if I can hang another lizard off his arm. Very nice. Ooh, bunch of bananas. These seem to be the heaviest ones. They're really, really a lot of mass. Boom! Ah, objects in motion stay in motion until they scatter all off. Scared this old man. His pacemaker's not going to work. It's terrifying. So that's the physics of Orangu-Twang. Hopefully you identified all three of Newton's laws. Make sure you create a diagram and write your paragraphs.